Hi, this is LOC645 coming today with another Nerf gun modification. This is called the Buzzbee rapid fire rifle. It has been modified into a short barrel stagecoach rifle, is what I call it. The orange tip has been cut off the long barrel and was put back onto the front of the gun because it's a toy gun. It's not a real gun. This is a Nerf Buzzbee Nerf toy gun. It will shoot Buzzbee rubber foam darts, and it will also shoot the Nerf foam darts. So I call it the Buzzbee Nerf dart gun because it shoots Nerf darts also. It's made by Buzzbee Toys. This is called a rapid fire rifle. It has been modified. The spring inside the gun has been swapped out with a much stronger spring, and there is no air restrictor inside the gun. So there was no air restrictor in it when we took it apart. This gun will be put on eBay for sale. You'll get 4 shells and 6 suction cup darts with the rapid fire. I'm going to show you how to load the gun today and how to shoot it. It will shoot all kinds of Nerf darts and rapid foam darts. It will also shoot homemade Stephen darts. Here is the Batman darts. I got 2 Batman Nerf darts, 3 suction cups, and 1 streamline dart that I'm going to be shooting out of the rapid fire. So this is the rapid fire here. You push the little button right here to take the magazine clip out. To cock the gun, you just pull back this lever. It pulls back the chamber, and it puts a shell inside, and it lets you shoot the gun. We're going to show you how to load the gun. You just put 1 shell there, push it down until you get all the shells in the magazine, and there you go. You put the magazine in there. You pull back the lever. It puts a shell into the chamber so you can shoot it. When you go to switch for another dart, it ejects the shell out and it puts another dart into the chamber. See how that's doing? Once you run out of darts, that's it. You have to reload the magazine. But this is the darts that the gun will shoot. It will shoot all kinds of darts. It'll shoot the Nerf darts. It will shoot the Buzzbee foam darts. And it will also shoot homemade Stephen darts. So I'm going to reload the gun again and shoot it one more time. Let you guys see how it shoots again. You just load the magazine clip with the shells. Put it right in there like so. Pull back the lever. See how it puts 1 dart into the cylinder here, into the chamber. It ejects it, puts another one into the chamber. There you go. This is called the Buzzbee rapid fire rifle. It's the Buzzbee rapid fire rifle. It's been modified with a short barrel with a stronger spring, and the orange barrel tip was put back on the gun. This is a pretty cool gun. It's pretty strong and good. It's good accuracy. It would make a good secondary gun during Nerf wars. If you have any questions on this rifle, I call it the stagecoach rifle because it's a short barrel. This gun is made by Buzzbee Toys. It's called the Rapid Fire. rifle, and it does shoot the shell darts. You have to have these little shells in order to shoot the darts out of it. It will not shoot the darts unless you have the shells with it. But it will be put on eBay for sale. If you're interested in it, go to eBay and type in Buzzbee rapid fire rifle dart gun and you will find it. It comes with 4 shells and 6 suction cup darts. If you like the gun, leave a comment and let me know you like it. If you don't like it, don't comment. If you have any questions on it, feel free to ask your question and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So, again, this is called the Buzzbee rapid fire rifle. It comes with the clip. You get 4 darts with the rapid fire. I mean, you get 6 darts with 4 shells. We're gonna shoot it one more time to show you guys how it shoots. There's 4 darts in there. There you go. They call it the Buzzbee rapid fire rifle. It's the short barrel version. I call it the stagecoach rifle. So, because it's a short barrel and it looks like a stagecoach rifle. If you like it, leave a comment and a question. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This is LOC 645. See ya.